Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. This is a brief look at the alphabet, but we're looking at it from a slightly different perspective. We're splitting the alphabet into three groups of letters. Not every letter will fit into one of these groups, but these are the important groups to understand to improve your Tajweed, inshallah. The first group of letters, which I'll circle in red, are the full mouth letters, FMLs. There's 7 of these. These should be memorized and understood. They're always read full mouth, regardless of the haraka that is on top of them or below them, or whether they've got a sukoon or a shadda. They're always read full mouth. I can't emphasize that enough. So let's go through the letters. The first one is kha, then it's sad, dad, ta, va, ghain, and qaf. Okay, they're the full mouth letters. FMLs for short, if you want to abbreviate it. The next group of letters, these are called throat letters. So we'll do these in yellow. Excuse me. 2 of them are the same as the FMLs. So the kha and the ghain, these are throat letters and full mouth letters. Very important to remember that. The next, so the kha and the ghain, they're pronounced from the top of the throat. So this group is based on, basically it's all letters that are from the throat, regardless of whereabouts in the throat they're from. So the makhraj is from the throat. The next letter in that group is ha and ain, because they're both recited from the middle of the throat. And then we have from the bottom of the throat ha and hamza. Right, so you've got 6 throat letters, you've got 7 full mouth letters. Next, we're gonna move on to the naughty letters or end letters. The reason why they're called naughty letters or end letters is because they do not join to the letter that comes after them. There's no physical join between them and the letter after. They may join phonetically, but not physically. Okay? So these are the 6 of them. These are alif, dal, dhal, ra, za, and waw. Okay, and these are the naughty letters or end letters. This is looking a little bit like a rainbow now, but it's vitally important that we're understanding these concepts before moving on with the tajweed. So this, by about page 4 or 5, inshallah, we should understand these principles before moving on, and inshallah it will make our life a lot easier as we progress through the qa'idah, inshallah. Okay, jazakallahu khairan for watching. Please share, subscribe, like, comment, and anything else that you want to do. Assalaamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.